Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So today I thought I'd do a different kind of video. I was looking up on YouTube, what videos should I film? Like, what is popular right now? What do people want to see? And one of them was your partner chooses your outfits video. And I have seen this before. I have seen like other people I am subscribed to do this, and I find it really interesting because like their style could be completely different to your style, and it's interesting to see what they like on you and what they think would look really good on you. So I got my fiance Matthew to go into my wardrobe and pick out some outfits. I said some could be dresses, but I said choose a few outfits that are like top and bottoms kind of thing. So he's picked 6 things altogether, and it was really interesting seeing what he had chosen. So I said look through the whole wardrobe, like every single thing, and choose your favorite things and what you think would look good on me and what you think would look really cool. So last night I spent like honestly 4 hours cleaning out my whole wardrobe. There was clothes all over the floor. Like, it was so compact you couldn't even like move the clothes. I got rid of 70 items of clothing, which is ridiculous, and some things are like really cool, some things I've like worn once or tried on, and I'm thinking maybe I should sell them maybe on Trade Me. Anyway, before I get started in the video and show you what outfits he chose from my wardrobe, I'm gonna show you some new Ana Luisa goodies. So right now I'm wearing like all Ana Luisa earrings in my ears. These are my favorite ones. I literally wear these all the time. I've got a cuff, this little like diamond one here, this gold plain one, and then this one. I really like these ones. These are really cool. Everyone always asks me where I get my earrings from. I've got like a single diamond in here, which is also from Ana Luisa. This ear cuff from Ana Luisa. Everyone always thinks I've got my ears pierced there, but literally it's just a cuff, and the same 3 is what's in the side. Honestly, Ana Luisa jewelry is so cool. And right now they're doing a sale for December, so they're doing buy one and get the second one 60% off, which is so cool. Like 60% off, that is crazy. That's almost like buy one get one free almost. I will leave a link to Ana Luisa down below in the description box. Make sure you go and check out their current sale for December. It is an amazing brand. They're ethical, they're carbon neutral, they use recycled materials. Everything is like 14 karat gold plated and hyperallergenic, and there's a 365-day warranty on everything. And I love how this jewelry doesn't corrode. Like, I honestly sleep in all of these, and I wear these all to work and just on my weekends, and I love them, and they don't tarnish. I even wear them in the shower. They don't go all yucky like standard jewelry does, and they have such like styly things on their website, like such on-trend things. Everything is high quality, so you'll love Ana Luisa. And perfect because it's Christmas soon, so you can either gift yourself or gift it to family or friends on Christmas. This one is called Heritage, and it is a necklace, so this comes with a set of 2. But here it says Ana Luisa, and then on the other side there's a little cubic zirconia. I don't know if you can see that. And there's the clasp. You can make it tighter going to this one. As you can see here, it looks so pretty on. I love it with this like gold top that I'm wearing. These look so cool. Like, look at these. These are called Amy. I love this. These are so epic. I thought I would love these because they're slightly smaller than the ones I'm wearing here in my ears, and they have really cool patterns on them, as you can see. And I love how these don't have butterflies because I always lose my butterflies. Everything is like clip, as you can see, like here, and then you just pull the clip off, and then to secure it back you just push and clip. So this is how the Amy earrings look like. I reckon they look so pretty. I do like the size as well. I reckon it's a little bit more discreet and it matches like the others a little bit more. So this is called Low Small. So I wanted some plain hoops, and these are cool because it's got like little triangles at the edge. These are 925 silver, by the way. These really look cool together. If you're wanting plain hoops, then here some are. They look really good on. and they're silver, so that is really cool. That would make such a cool gift. So now that I've got all of my jewelry on, ready for the outfits that Matthew chose, I'm sure like this jewelry will match all of these outfits that he chose, so that's really cool. So anyway, this is what my wardrobe looks like. As you can see here, it's not that big, it's only like a double wardrobe, but I so want a walk-in wardrobe when we have our second home. So that's what my wardrobe looks like, and Matthew went through and rummaged to find his favorite 6 outfits, which was really cool. In the start he didn't want to do it, but I was like, oh come on, it'll be really cool, so he did it in the end, thank goodness. Okay, so the first one, I don't know if this is still available. I think it might be. Funny enough, because 3 of the outfits out of these 6 are from Pia Boutique, which is my favorite New Zealand designer boutique, and I do get sent Pia stuff for free, so I'm really thankful for that. This is really cool. Look at this. I didn't think he'd like this one. He took a photo of me in this not long ago. Maybe he likes the bright colors and the patterns. So this is a top with like a big puffy sleeve, and then this is a skirt which is a size extra small, and it's quite short and it's stretchy around the waist and it's high-waisted, and I really like this. So he must have really liked the patterns. I do really like these patterns. They look really bright and perfect for summer and nice for like a night out as well, or even daytime wear. So I'm gonna try this on and show you what this looks like. Okay, so here's outfit number 1. I really like this. I think it is quite out there for me, like with the sleeve, and that's what I first thought when I got this outfit from Pia, but I really do like the patterns. I think a lot of people would compliment me when I wear this. I was quite surprised when Matthew chose this outfit, and I'm actually quite liking it though, now that I know that he likes it. And at the back you can like tie it up here into a little bow, which is quite cool. And that's a cool thing, like you don't need to wear both things. You could just wear the skirt and a top, but Matthew likes the set, so I think it looks really cute with this necklace and these earrings. I feel so like classy, like I'm going to the races or something, I don't know. Oh, I'm surprised he chose this. I do know that he likes this. This is an old piece. This is from Boohoo. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I haven't worn this in a while though, because I think it is a little bit see-through. Like I have to just watch what undies I'm wearing. And also I was like, oh my goodness, because I had like this crazy glitter cut crease, and it was like purple and silver with like chunky glitter, and then I wore this and my hair was like all curled with a puff. And I remember this group of guys came up to me and they're like, oh my gosh, it's Madonna, it's Madonna. And I got like so insecure. I was like, oh my gosh, do I actually look like Madonna? And I didn't see it at the time, but when I look back now I'm like, oh my gosh, yes I did. Like I can see where they're coming from, because every time I saw them in the night they're like Madonna. So that's what I associate this with, which is a bit of a shame. But I do know when I used to wear this with like normal makeup, people always complimented on it. So maybe I should wear it more, because it's one of his favorites and he thinks it's gonna look good on me. So it is white and it's got like a crisscross pattern just there, and then it's got like a waistband kind of, and then it has got really long legs that are like bootlegged, as you can see here. So this will be quite cool for summer, like in summer nights going out. And then it's just got like small straps, and at the back it's plain kind of thing, just goes across like that. I'm gonna try this outfit on and show you what this looks like. Okay, I hope it's not too dark, but I really like this. I do realize that it is see-through though, so I literally had to take my undies off, so I'm wearing nothing right now under these, but I recommend wearing your skin colored ones underneath. I do think it looks quite flattering, and I really like how it's a bootlegged fit, because that's like the style these days, so that is really cool. I do prefer like the loose pants over the tight skinny jeans, but I'm gutted you can't see like the whole outfit. I'll just do that so you can kind of like imagine what it would look like. Also, this jumpsuit looks really cool with my jewelry, I reckon. White always looks so cool with gold. Like, it just makes me feel so classy, and because it's quite a low neckline, it looks nice to just have something there on your chest. Okay, so the next thing he chose, I was like, oh my goodness, as soon as I saw this on top of the pile, I was like, I knew he would choose that. Who doesn't love a black dress? Like, it suits everything and it's perfect for like any occasion, I guess, and it does look really pretty. I do know that this particular one isn't available right now, but this style becomes available in so many colors and patterns on Pear Boutique all the time, and they might have a black one come available again. You might just have to email them, but it looks like this. The material is really cool. As you can see, it's like all linear. Anyway, the sleeves go like halfway down, like past your elbows, and they're like really thrilly. So I'm gonna try this on and show you what this looks like. Okay, so this would probably have to be my favorite outfit so far that he's chosen. I don't know, I feel really pretty and glamorous, and I feel myself in this. Like, I feel comfortable, and I do feel like I'd wear this lots. Obviously, I have worn this a few times in the past, but I think I'm definitely going to wear it a lot more now that I know that Matthew approves. So as you can see, it's like thrilly here. I just think it's so pretty. Like, as you can see at the back, like, it fits really well, it sits really nice, and I like how it like goes longer. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes longer at the back, so you feel really comfortable, like you don't feel like it's gonna go up too high. And I think this looks so nice. I really like how it ties here. So the next outfit he chose is quite interesting. Is two separate things. So this is where it gets interesting, the next two outfits, because it's not just like a dress or a jumpsuit where he doesn't have to think kind of thing. It is him pairing things together, which is quite cool. So I've literally still got the Glassons tag on. Like, I got this not long ago. It was $35. This is the size 6 and it's blue lavender. So this is what he likes. Look at this. Of course, he'd like something a little bit sexy in there. That is quite cool. I do like this. I do like that whole style of like lace and like jeans. I'm glad he chose this actually. I haven't worn this yet, and he chose a pair of Freddie jeans. I've only wore these twice. These are my new Freddie jeans that I got sent. I've been loving working with Freddie recently. These are the jeans that he picked, so I love this color, honestly. I think this will suit everything. So it's got 3 buttons and it's high-waisted and it's 3/4 length, and I do like this color. So of course, who doesn't love jeans? I guess it's pretty standard. And the Freddie jeans have like a bum shaping effect at the back, so that is really cool. I'm gonna try this outfit on and show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is the first time wearing this top, and I do really like it. I like this better than my black one. I feel really like classy, and I think blue looks so good with blonde hair. I don't know what it is, like this color blue, as you can see, and even if you have small boobs, it really like pushes them up. So yeah, I can't get over my sunburn. This is how this outfit looks like. I really do like this. The only thing I wish is that these Freddie jeans were like 5 centimeters higher, just because I hate showing my belly button. I know I'm so weird like that, but it's because I'm so tall. On most girls it would be like way up here. But yeah, I do really like this outfit. I feel really like cute and sexy and glamorous. Like, I don't know, I really like this. He did well with this outfit. So this is the shaping jeans from Freddie. I really like how these look. I think these go together as well, like this kind of blue and this blue. And can I just say how good this top looks with this necklace? Like, I really like this, and this jewelry, it's like a perfect match. So the next outfit I found quite interesting. So I do see these going together. It is this top from Glassons, and I'm sure this is still available because I got this not long ago or something similar. I haven't worn this before. So it is this little like halter neck top, which is interesting because I didn't think he'd choose this, but I do like this, obviously, that's why I bought it. Very on trend at the moment. So it's just like this cute little brown top and super stretchy, and at the back it goes like this. And he paired this with, dun 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 dun, drum roll, these camo pants from Freddie. So these are jeans as well from Freddie. These are limited edition on their website. I think they are still available if you're lucky. But these are really cool because they've got like gold glitter throughout it. So I have obviously worn this with like black tops before, but not a brown crop top. So it's going to be interesting to try this on and see how it looks like. So these are really cool jeans. I really like these. I think they are really cool. I'm sure this will look good, but it's going to be surprising to see what it looks like on me, and to see if the color tones match. I think they'll match. Okay, so here's the 5th outfit, and let me just say I am actually genuinely impressed. Like when I first saw this in the pile, I was like, I don't know if that would look good together, but it looks good together. Like, do I need to hire him as my personal stylist? Like, I don't know, but he paired this up when I thought this would look good. So I think this looks really cool. I feel like quite badass in this, but like casual, but stylish. I don't know, I really like this. I really love camo jeans, obviously, and I find these look really good on anybody. Like, I love how these look. These are limited edition, but like I said, I think they're available. They look really good on the butt, and I do like the gold jewelry with it because it kind of ties in with the gold like in the pants. Obviously I'm impressed with this outfit. I think it looks really cool. I do think I'm gonna wear this now. Thanks to Matthew, these two look good together. And we have one more outfit. I'm kind of glad I'm starting to get like all hot and sweaty in this room with the doors closed and no windows open in this hot ring light. The joys of summer. Anyway, this is the last one that he chose. And I'm really surprised. Like, I've only worn this once ever before, like probably 4 years ago. So, I mean, he might remember it, but I don't think he fully remembers how this looks like on me. And it's another Pia dress. So I do think they like come out with styles similar to this. Obviously this exact one isn't available anymore. This was like from a collection 4 years ago. But I think the color is really cool. But they will come out with similar styles to this. So yeah, I do really like this. But it's not something I'd wear all the time, which is funny. So I'm very surprised he chose this out. Like, I've got other like tight black dresses, like lacy sleeves and all this other stuff, but it's cool that he chooses like thrilly, more like classy dresses. I do prefer wearing like the higher end clothing that is like a little bit more classy and quite on trend. I don't know, very cool how he's like adjusted to my style. It goes tighter around the waist and then it just goes down like that at the bottom, and it's got quite puffy sleeves. I will put this one on and show you what this one looks like. Okay, so this is the 6th and last outfit. I do quite like this. Obviously, like I said, it's not something I'd usually wear now, but I do think it looks really pretty, and it does remind me of that black dress, so he must just really like that style. And it is perfect for Christmas time because it's that color, but I do really like this. It's nice for a date night and a night out, and I think it looks really classy. I've only worn this once. Maybe I should wear it more. But yeah, this is definitely like a good special occasion dress, and I like the frills up here. So yeah, the colour is really nice too. I didn't think he'd like this colour, but he does, so that's good. I might have to just wear this out on more special occasions and stuff. So I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed seeing the outfits that Matthew picked out for me to wear, and the outfits that he thought looked really cool and would look good on me from my wardrobe. I really enjoyed filming this video. It is something different to what I'd usually film, and I am trying to get creative and film different things that people might want to see. Also, don't forget to shop on Ana Luisa and check out their buy one get one 60% off sale. I'll leave the link down below in the description box so you can go and shop. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.